with the Democrat Party, and I don't understand how this Madami, right? Mamdani. He's running for the mayor of New York City, and he's a communist. Communism is an evil atheist ideology that has destroyed more lives than Nazism, and they're both forms of socialism. There's just the difference between the National Socialism and the International Socialism, not that much of a difference as far as they're both murderous, evil ideologies. I guess the main difference would be the communists totally reject religion, whereas the Nazis, Yimach Shemam V'Zichram, twist religion. You know, what they had under Nazism, they had what they called responsibility, and that was the ideology of how the Nazis perverted the church.